Did you know that your gaming PC is also an AI PC? Nvidia GeForce RTX series cards already have the same technology powering AI built into them. From classwork to entertainment, with RTX powered AI, you're getting the most advanced AI experiences available on Windows PCs. Nvidia's GPU architecture features AI tensor cores that deliver up to 1,300 AI TOPS, which is a new unit of measurement. So we now have available more applications that can actually utilize this processing power. For productivity, we have Chat RTX. Chat RTX gives you tailored responses from local files with your own personal chatbot. So it'll search your PC's personal files, notes and photos with text or video to give you a response. For video production, we are starting to see a lot more AI tools being implemented into our editing programs such as Adobe Premiere Pro, Wondershare Filmora, and DaVinci Resolve, and much more. Now, these AI features, they help us to improve our editing process and add extra to the video without doing a whole lot of work. So, for example, I can actually prompt in Wondershare Filmora to create a particular image of any description that I like. So I created and generated this PC just by typing it into the command prompt. Pretty cool. "3D design is seeing real-time viewport rendering, upscaling, and ray reconstruction in programs like Blender and Unreal Engine. So live streaming such as Nvidia Broadcast is also enabling AI denoise, so it's taking out all the background noise, but they're also enabling features like removal of backgrounds, which is absolutely fantastic for AI-powered PCs because they're introducing more features to allow users to experiment a bit more with their live streaming capabilities. So gaming, which is what a lot of you would be familiar with, utilizes DLSS, which actually uses AI to generate extra frames, which not only improves performance, but it improves image quality as well. And there's so much more AI softwares, which I'm not as familiar with, so I'll just briefly cover them. So you've got things such as game modding with RTX Remix. And you've also got digital art and design with Nvidia Canvas, and there's much more out there. However, I'll leave you with this. With AI, we now benefit from faster AI model training. We also achieve higher FPS in games, so it benefits the gamers. And we also have faster image generation, so it's good for productivity. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'd like to thank Nvidia for inviting us out to PAX 2024, and we'll see you all in the next one. Sorry guys, I'm too short. All right, ready? Let's watch AI do its magic. Wait, did it work? Are you serious?
Wow, you're so messy.
Wow. That does not look like me at all.
Perfect.
No.
Perfect.
Why is it
Spot on.
it's so feminine?
Oh, no.
Oh. What good is that? That's not me.
If you actually get back further, it does a better. It actually does it more accurately.
All right, let's see.
There you go.
No, it just made me older now.
What did it do to me? I was half off shot. Mate,
Wait, where's your head going?
it made me bald as well.
All right, Amelia, jump in. All right, ready?
Yeah, usually the further back.
That one looks like you, though.
You're so pretty.
Why am I like? How did I go from feminine to that? look how buff the body is, and I've just got a small head. What is this? Oh, it's that.
It's the chassis.
Oh, wow.
We look great.
AI at its finest.
Wow.
That's great.
At least it's a fun thing.
Yeah, that's funny.
You're so pretty, Paul.
Such a pretty anime girl.
Why is there always sweat on their face? Why am I sweating there?